Good morning, everybody. Remember Foster, and I finally got my package to see how big the dots is. Yep. You know, I was supposed to get on 29th and it never happened. Now I was like, the 800 and it happened, huh? Fine, you'll get a problem. Before we open it, look at this box cover. We want to be careful with these things. It came from Amazon Fulfillment Service, 333 West Lake Road, Phoenix, Arizona 68543. Can't believe how this box is. As you can see, this is the box right here. I think the USPS guy and you don't know where it was. Ask me, and I'll help you out. Close this one. I told myself. Hurt myself that way. You know. Oh. Is ready to come in. And then that's your warning. You always warn her. Warning. Plastic bag is candy. Dangerous. This plastic bag. Yeah, I don't know. I remember this is certainly this is good as one time about the fight with the under free. Let me look at the first. Here a minute. Turn it around. Here we're at. Give me guys. Give me a second. Yeah. Fun. Before you go on, I want to know if you guys already get the dog magazines. If you do, I want to know what kind of what your favorite for right now. You got a lot of them. I'm so excited. I don't suck. I am. I'm not sure if laughter is ever in. The last in our original last is ever in. Well, it's random. They're albums, not less. And I told you that they're that rolled over the there's come on. I'm not really able though. But definitely the news first page. That's kind of interesting. Okay, so first husky. Guess what, guys? Remember, I think it said when they put it over 81 mobiles. I think the skin was made. Okay, well. Melissa and Doug. Is Liz off? Is that what it feels? Anyway. Okay, here it is. My life-size husky. Black and white. Sweet picture. I'm not going to hear about this. Just hear about it later. This is a bit gummy. 2020 is the day last year, so it's husky that's in there. What kind of cover it is? Oh, we don't know what kind of stitch play it is. Okay, so just pull this thing off. That's a really good name. I think you get this one running. Well, here we're going to do real quick what size it's do. So we have this the same size as Cypress over here. Give me a minute. Not small. About the size. Close enough. So yeah. I finally got her, guys. You know, I'm gonna need her. Rita for now. Do you guys got any of her names? Let me know. So, I would say hello to my female husky. Her legs. You can see her detail there. And, yeah. And she has, her, or you know, you deal with hers. She has a ton sticking out. You can do the heart, bottom heart mouth, as always. So yeah, I'm gonna start talking to you guys around and, yeah. See you later. Hang on, right? Good guess. Alright. You got it. Good job, you guess. I don't think you guys were reading it. No, I did. Okay, I'm gonna do this a little bit. So I got, guys. I know it was all to get it, but you know what? I got it. So, see you guys next time when I get the notes from there. See you next time. Bye for now.